Go.
Dude, you motherfucker. Oh, come on. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna spin the shit out of this. Ready?
Oh!
Oh! Oh, yeah, that just happened. Yeah, that just happened.
Ah!
No. Yeah. Oh, I got this.
Alright.
Oh, jacked. Jacked.
Ah!
Oh, man, I don't know if I had enough spin on it. We might have done something.
Damn it. How come I can't make it spin?
Because you're Mexican.
Because I'm Mexican.
Oh,
that's right, woman.
That was subpar.
Subpar?
Ooh! Oh, back to base. Back to square one.
Alright, here we go. Damn it. Hold on.
Oh, that's right.
Come back, baby. Oh!
Oh, student has surpassed the master.
Alright, you take it.
Don't mind if I do. It's like fucking messed up.
Woo!
Hey.
Damn.
Sorta.
Still got it.
The last time I did it really well was to the side. It was like